Join me as I dive deep into the mind-bending world of quantum entanglement and try to uncover its most shocking secrets. Quantum entanglement, the phenomenon that has fascinated scientists and philosophers alike for decades. It's a concept that challenges our classical understanding of space, time, and reality. In essence, entanglement is a connection between two or more particles, where their properties become linked, regardless of the distance between them. There's a lot of confusion surrounding quantum entanglement, and it's easy to see why. The idea that two particles can be connected in such a way that the state of one particle is instantly affected by the state of the other, regardless of the distance between them, is a mind-bending concept. Many people think that entanglement allows for faster-than-light communication, but that's not entirely accurate. Others believe that entanglement is a phenomenon that only occurs at the quantum level, but that's not true either. One of the biggest misconceptions about entanglement is that it's a phenomenon that can be used to transfer information. While it's true that entangled particles can be connected in such a way that the state of one particle is instantly affected by the state of the other, this connection cannot be used to send information. The reason for this is that the connection between entangled particles is a random process, and there's no way to control the outcome. Another misconception about entanglement is that it's a phenomenon that only occurs in highly controlled laboratory settings. However, entanglement is not just a phenomenon that occurs in a lab. It's a natural process that occurs in the universe all around us. So, how does entanglement actually work? To understand this phenomenon, let's take a step back and look at the science behind it. Quantum mechanics is a branch of physics that deals with the behavior of particles at the atomic and subatomic level. According to quantum mechanics, particles can exist in multiple states at the same time, which is known as superposition. When two particles are entangled, their properties become linked, and they can instantaneously affect each other, regardless of the distance between them. One way to think about entanglement is to imagine two connected boxes, each containing a particle. The particles are connected in such a way that the state of one particle is instantly affected by the state of the other. When the particle in one box is observed, the state of the particle in the other box is instantly determined, regardless of the distance between them. The evidence for entanglement is overwhelming, and it has been demonstrated in numerous experiments. One of the most famous experiments is the EPR paradox, proposed by Einstein, Podolsky, and Rosen in 1935. The experiment involved two entangled particles, which were separated and then observed. The results showed that the state of one particle was instantly affected by the state of the other, regardless of the distance between them. But here's the shocking secret. Entanglement has the potential to change our understanding of space, time, and communication. If we can harness the power of entanglement, we could potentially use it to send information faster than the speed of light. This would revolutionize the way we communicate, and it could have huge implications for fields such as medicine, finance, and education. Imagine being able to send information across the globe instantly, without the need for cables or satellites. It sounds like science fiction, but it's a possibility that's being explored by scientists today. And it's not just communication. Entanglement could also be used to create unbreakable codes, making our data more secure than ever before. But that's not all. Entanglement could also change our understanding of space and time. If we can harness the power of entanglement, we could potentially use it to teleport objects from one location to another, instantly. It sounds like something out of a Star Trek movie, but it's a possibility that's being explored by scientists today. So to recap, quantum entanglement is a phenomenon that has the potential to change our understanding of space, time, and communication. It's a complex and fascinating topic, and one that's still being explored by scientists today. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on quantum entanglement in the comments below. If you want to learn more about quantum physics, be sure to check out our next video on the topic.